Hello everyone, we have caught yet another monthly test for the month of October 2017. Last time we had a national periodic test recorded from 5 stations. Alright, let's cut the crap and turn on the TV.
To reach out to his former girlfriend, Betsy.
Okay, here we go. Let's go to my recordings. Here we have KWKT TV.
5 pounds with variable steam.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
And that's the whole test for KWKT.
And it took seconds to heat up.
Next station,
So this is awesome.
KAMU.
For than just plain water.
Look at that little grammatical error. They forgot to put a space there. But anyways. I'm hearing static. And multiple attention tones. Yeah, more static is coming in.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
The following.
KMU TV, you're successful, but
And by viewers like
I
you.
keep getting static.
Thank you.
You may want to monitor another local primary in order to get better results. Alright. Next one
Listen to our podcast. Watch the
is KRHD.
To order this program.
But it's not.
Weather is always changing, but your source
There's no
remains the same.
voice message or EOM.
For you, tracking storms as they happen,
Great.
being the first to let you know. When it comes to weather, you can count on
Next.
Central Texas.
KYLE.
Here with a little straight talk.
But because I don't want to be humbug. Because I don't want to be
Right.
humbug. I thought if I start early,
She's turning over a new tree.
I won't.
I'm seeing the character generator do its thing, but
All right,
I'm not hearing any audio from the EAS.
has only been on the screen one
I'm not sure why it's not doing that.
Yellow diamond sailor.
It did that on the national periodic test.
It is spectacular. Post-pick
So, forget KYLE.
Let's see here.
And with KAGS,
Stones.
I couldn't find anything on that shit.
5 carats of blue sapphire and blue.
I kept fast forwarding and fast forwarding.
different sizes.
Nothing.
Oh yeah.
in here. That is not easy.
I didn't see any character generator
Because this is. Oh, yeah.
or hear any audio.
It looks like they're set in all.
Alright. Okay, guys. On to the headers and the audio from Local Primary 2. And yes, that's where I first captured the alert. It's gonna sound a little bit weird, guys, so bear with it.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Yeah, sorry about the weirdness going on in that audio. The radio station is actually doing fine, but I think I may have screwed up some things in CTTY. Maybe the volume levels are not up enough? But anyways, headers. Oh, I gotta focus. Wait, can I focus it? Ah, there it is. Okay. An EAS participant has issued a required monthly test. All Texas, 1 hour. On the 276th day at 9:52 GMT from KWKT. And we got 3 EOMs. Next, KAMU. EAS participant has issued a required monthly test for all Texas for 1 hour on the 276th day at 9:52 GMT from KAMU TV. Alright. EAS participant has issued a required monthly test for all Texas for 1 hour on the 276th day at 9:52 GMT from KRHD TV. But there was no header. Excuse me, EOM. There was no EOM. That's an automatic fail. Alright. From the local primary entry point, number 2 in the Waco area. EAS participant has issued a required monthly test for all of Texas for 1 hour on the 276th day at 9:52 GMT, and it's from KWTX FM. And we got the EOMs. Alright, everyone, that's the end of it. I will be capturing the November test. See you then. Bye.